Recently, there has been increased interest in developing our country's offshore energy resources. This has been especially true in Delaware, where over the last several years, we have seen proposals for large offshore wind installations, as well as even discussion of exploring for hydrocarbons like petroleum and gas. One of the major points of contention that comes up with these issues is the cost that these offshore installations will have on visitors in terms of their view and their experience. One way to deal with this is to place the turbines, the rigs, whatever you have, well over the horizon where no one can see them. However, this could have increase in engineering costs, maintenance costs, this sort of thing. So what we were really interested in is seeing how the cost on visitors changes with the distance of these objects to shore, as perspective does its thing and it gets relatively smaller. So what we did is we set up this neat computer interface. We went down to the beaches at Cape Henlopen and Rehoboth, and we got visitors to those beaches to sit down, give us the cost of their trip, look at a computer screen that had a picture of the beach that they were on with some objects on the horizon. In this case, we have some wind turbines that you probably can't see. However, they could bring them closer and closer until it got to the point where they would no longer have been willing to come with those on the horizon. We did the same thing with oil platforms, and the results look something like this. We had a lot of interesting results. I'm just going to highlight one of them that was most immediately apparent, is if you look at the visitation rates, how many people would continue to come with these things. As you get closer to the beach from the horizon, the oil platforms have sort of a steady linear decrease, where the wind turbines, not that many people are too concerned about until you hit around the 2 to 3 mile mark when suddenly there's a very rapid decline in visitation rates.